Hello, fellow foodies. It's a great pleasure to have you back on the ingredient channel this week. Our featured recipe today hails from northeastern China and is known for its light, refreshing, and delightful flavors. The shredded tofu in this dish bears a striking resemblance to the pale soil chickens often scratch on, which could possibly explain its Chinese name. Now, most of the recipes you find online include eggs, but the version I'm familiar with does not. Alright, are you ready to dive in? Unlike mapo tofu, for this recipe, we will need a block of firm tofu, not the soft or silky variety, but the firm one. Heat up the wok or pan and add a bit more oil than you would typically use for stir frying. This helps fry the tofu and eliminate any lingering bean-like taste. We need about 4 tablespoons of oil. Break the tofu into smaller pieces. There's no need to cut. Use your spatula to shred and break the tofu into smaller bites, just like a chicken would do. Lots of shredding and poking. Sprinkle some salt, about 1 teaspoon, while you are shredding. Add 1 tablespoon of green onion rinse. Keep stir frying. During this process, the tofu soaks up the flavors and something magical happens between the salt, tofu, and green onions, resulting in this incredibly refreshing taste. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce or mushroom sauce for a vegetarian dish and stir a few more times. Finish by drizzling a starch liquid over it, made with 1 teaspoon of starch mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Transfer the dish to a plate. Garnish with rings of green onions to elevate the flavors. I know the simplicity of this recipe may lead some to doubt its taste. However, I strongly urge you to give it a try before passing judgment. Wink, wink. By the way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delectable recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.